Today we are going to start the new examples of arithmetic progression, that is 4 consecutive terms. In the last lecture we have seen the examples related to 3 consecutive terms. Now here we will see the examples of 4 consecutive terms. So here the 4 consecutive terms are a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2d. Okay, and here the questions, here the examples. Okay, so question is find 4 consecutive terms in an AP whose sum is 12 and the sum of third and fourth term is 14. So here first we'll understand the question, what the question says. The question says that first condition, the sum of all 4 digits is 12. Means if you add this a minus d plus a plus a plus z plus a plus 2d, then you will get 12. And the second condition says that the sum of third digit means the position of third term. This is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Third and fourth term is here. So the sum of these two terms is 14. Okay, so using these two conditions we have to find the 4 consecutive terms. So before finding the 4 consecutive terms, we need to find a and b. So how will you find? Let's see. First we'll consider let 4 consecutive terms are given by a minus d, a plus d, a plus 2d. So here the 4 consecutive terms are there. First term, second term, third term and fourth term. Now we'll use the first condition. So we'll write according to the first condition. According to first condition. So what first condition says? The first condition says that here you can see sum, whose sum is 12. Whose means what? 4 consecutive terms. So means we have to add all 4 consecutive terms. The addition of all 4 terms is 12. So here these are 4 terms. So we write a minus d plus a plus a plus d plus a plus 2d is equals to what? 12. Now we will subtract. Which number are subtracting here? This is minus d here, you can see. This is plus d here, you can see. So this will be cancelled out. So what are left? A plus a plus a plus a plus 2d is equals to 12. Understood? After that, a plus a plus a plus a, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4. This will be addition of 4a plus 2d equals to 12. Call this as equation number 1. Okay? After this we cannot solve. This is the final equation. Okay? Now, we are using the second condition. What is the second condition here? Sum of third and fourth term is 14. This is your question here. Okay? Now we'll write according to second condition. What you can see? The sum of third and fourth. The third term is here a plus d and fourth term here a plus 2d. So we'll write a plus d plus a plus 2d is how much? That is given 14. So we'll write 14 here. Then a plus a is 2a plus d, 1d. A plus a is 2a. 1d plus 2d is 3d is equals to 14. Here you can write this as equation number 2. Now we'll simplify these two equations using linear equation in 2 variables. These are two variable equation here. You can see 4a plus 2d equals to 12 and 2a plus 3d equal to 14. Now this is important. Now we get the two equations. From first condition we are getting one equation. From second condition we are getting second equation. Now we have to cancel out this a. Okay, we have to solve this equation 1 and 2. Either simultaneously equation we have to solve. These are the simultaneous equation. So we have to solve this by adding or subtracting. So what we have to do here? First we'll check the coefficient of a here, that is 4. Coefficient of d is 2 and constant is 12. Here you can see coefficient of a is 2, coefficient of d is 3 and constant is 14. So what you can observe here? Here you can see the multiple of a. This is 4 and this is 2. So you can make this 2 as a 4 because it is a multiple of 4. Okay? So here it is 4. So if you want to make this a, 2a, 4. So you have to multiply whole equation by 2. You will be getting 4a plus 6d plus 28. Okay, so we have to multiply this total equation by 2. So we will write this equation again here. Now you can see the equation number 1 is 4a plus 2d equals to 12. That is equation number 1. Second, you can see 2a plus 3d equals to 14. That is equation number 2. You can see. Now here, we'll multiply this equation 2 by 2. Then we'll make this coefficient as same. So here we'll write multiply equation 2 by 2 we get. So what are you getting here? 2 into bracket 2a plus 3d equals to 14. So 2 2s are 4a plus 2 3s are 60 plus is equal to 2 14 2s are 28. Call this as equation number 3. Now this equation number 2 converts into equation number 3. Okay, this equation 2 forming by equation number 3. Now you can see equation number 1 and 3. There is 4a and 4a are same, but these coefficients are same, but their sign also sign of that number are also same. Here plus 4a, here it is also plus 4a. So whenever there is a same coefficient with same sign, so we have to subtract these two equations. Okay, so we will subtract this equation here. Subtracting equation 1 by 3 we get. So what you will get here? So first we will write equation number 3. 4a plus 6d is equals to 28. This is equation number 3. Equation number 1 is 4a plus 2d equals to 12. When you subtract this, then sign will be changed here. This is plus, it is getting minus, it is getting minus, it is getting minus. 4a get cancelled. 6, this sign will be ignored. Plus minus is minus. 6 minus 2 is 4d is equals to 28 minus 12 is 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 minus 1 is 1. That is 16. This 4 is in multiple. So what you will get? D is equal to 16 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16. So what is the value of D here? 4. As you get the value of D here, okay, using this formation subtracting equation 1 and 3, we are getting the value of D. I hope you understood this step, because already we have completed this topic, this type of chapter, that is linear equation in 2 areas. So I hope you can understand these steps. Now we will substitute this D equal to 4 in equation number 1, 2 or 3. In out of 3 equation you can substitute in any equation. So we will substitute this D equal to 4 in equation number 1. Okay? So we will write here, put D equals to 4 in equation number 1 we get. So what we are getting here, you can see equation number 1 is 4a plus 2d equals to 12. So 4 into a plus 2 into, what is the value of d is here? 4 is equals to 12. So 4a is same. 4 2s is 8 is equals to 12. 8 will go to that side. What you will get? 4a is equals to 12 minus 8. When you subtract this 12 minus 8, what you will get here? 12 minus 8. What you will get? 4. Okay, 12 minus 8 is 4. So a will be 4 upon 4, that is 1. When you go like this, a is equals to 4 upon 4. 4 1s are 4, 4 1s are 4. So what you are getting? A equals to 1. So we have got the values of a and d. Now what is the final step? Now the final step is substitute these two values in these terms. Here, substitute these two values in this equation, in these terms, a minus d, a plus d and a plus 2. As we substitute these values here, you will get the final 4 consecutive terms. Okay, so how will you substitute here? First is a minus d. So a is 1, d is 4. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. What is the second term? A is equals to 1. What is third term? A plus d. 1 plus 4, that is 5. What is next? A plus 2d. So 1 plus 2 into d is 4. That is 1 plus 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So here we are getting the 4 consecutive terms. Therefore the 4 consecutive terms are minus 3, 1, 5, 9. This is a plus 2d. This is the fourth. Okay, this is second. This is first. this is second. Okay, so what you are getting, minus 3 comma 1 comma 5 comma 9. So these are the 4 consecutive terms. You have to go first. You can see a minus d, you are getting minus 3, second a equal to 1, third a plus d equal to 5, and fourth a plus 2d equal to 9. So these 4 are the consecutive terms. So this is the answer of this question. Example. 1 minute you can copy this example. Copy all these questions and make a solution. Okay, fine. So so this is the example of 4 consecutive terms. Here we have completed. So with this we have completed this chapter. Okay, and thank you so much.